Hey there, prompt engineering enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's going to help you level up your prompt engineering game, building your prompt engineering portfolio. Whether you're just starting out or looking to showcase your expertise, this video is for you. We'll explore key strategies, real-life examples, and practical tips to help you create a standout portfolio. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Your prompt engineering portfolio is like your superhero cape. It's your chance to showcase your skills and superpowers to the world. Imagine you're a superhero and your portfolio is your secret lair where you keep all your cool gadgets and achievements. It's where you show off your best work and impress potential employers or clients. Just like Batman has his Batcave, you have your prompt engineering portfolio to make a lasting impression. Now, let's talk about AI chatbot interactions. Think of it like having a conversation with your favorite virtual friend. When you ask a question, the chatbot responds based on the prompts it's given. For example, imagine you're chatting with a travel bot, and you ask, "What's the weather like in Paris?" The chatbot uses prompt engineering to understand your question and give you the latest weather forecast. It's like having a helpful travel buddy right at your fingertips. Next up, we're showcasing projects from recognized AI universities. Picture yourself as part of a team of brilliant minds at Stanford or MIT. Together, you're working on groundbreaking AI research projects that could change the world. You're contributing to papers, presentations, and workshops that showcase your skills and knowledge in prompt engineering. It's like being on the cutting edge of technology and innovation. Let's talk about innovative AI tools and techniques. Imagine you have a toolbox filled with all the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you craft amazing prompts. From GPT-3 to Hugging Faces transformers, these tools are like your trusty sidekicks on your prompt engineering journey. With their help, you can experiment, learn, and create incredible experiences that wow your audience. Now, let's highlight your contributions to online prompt engineering communities. Picture yourself as part of a vibrant online community where prompt engineers from around the world come together to share ideas and support each other. You're active in discussions, offering valuable insights and helping fellow prompt engineers solve challenges. It's like being part of a big family where everyone shares the same passion for prompt engineering. Real-life applications and case studies are where the magic happens. Imagine you're showcasing a case study where prompt engineering improved customer satisfaction in a chatbot application. By crafting tailored prompts, you help the chatbot understand user queries better and provide more accurate responses. It's like seeing your skills in action and making a real difference in people's lives. Now, let's talk about crafting engaging content and copywriting samples. Imagine you're writing a catchy advertisement campaign that grabs people's attention and drives action. With your prompt engineering skills, you're able to craft compelling language prompts that resonate with your target audience. It's like being a master storyteller who knows just the right words to captivate your audience and leave them wanting more. Last but not least, let's talk about collaborative projects and teamwork. Picture yourself as part of a dynamic team where everyone brings their unique skills and talents to the table. Together, you're working on prompt engineering projects that push the boundaries of what's possible. You're communicating effectively, sharing ideas, and achieving amazing results. It's like being part of a winning team where everyone celebrates each other's successes. Congratulations, you've reached the end of our journey into building your prompt engineering portfolio. Now it's time to take action. Start curating your portfolio with diverse examples that showcase your skills and achievements. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, your portfolio is your ticket to unlocking exciting opportunities in the world of prompt engineering. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on all things prompt engineering. Until next time, happy prompting!